Hello everybody and welcome to piano lesson number 2. My name is Marcos Moscat with 123 Rock School of Music. And today we will talk about the C major scale. Now, on our first lesson we learned about the 5-finger position and middle C. Now, if we go back to that 5-finger position and we let each one of our fingers fall on the first 5 notes starting on middle C, once again we'll have C, D, E, F, G. Now today we will learn about those 3 notes, or I should say actually 2 notes next to those 5 original notes that we learned about. So once again, if we start on C, we're going to have C, D, E, F, G. Now the next note will be A, then we have B, and that third note will be C once again. And that would complete our C major scale. Now the way I want you to play the C major scale will be like this. We're going to be playing C with our first finger, then D with our second finger, then E with our third finger, and then we're going to cross over and we're going to put our thumb on F, then second finger on G, third finger on A, fourth finger on B, and pinky on C. So if we go all the way back to middle C and try this again, we'll have C, D, E, crossover, F, G, A, B, C. One more time. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And that's our C major scale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.